Imagine a world where Excel doesn't just store your data, it thinks, analyzes, and even predicts for you. Sounds like science fiction, right? Well, it's not. It's happening right now. And if you're not using AI in Excel, you're already falling behind. Let me show you why AI in Excel is the future of work in 2025. Here's the thing: manual data entry, complex formulas, endless hours spent on repetitive tasks, they're a thing of the past. In 2025, AI is taking over Excel, turning it from just a spreadsheet tool into your personal AI assistant. Whether you're analyzing sales, creating financial models, or cleaning up massive datasets, AI can do it all, faster, smarter, and with zero human error. In this video, I'll show you how AI-powered Excel is changing the game, making you more productive, and why you can't afford to ignore this revolution. Let's dive in. First, let's talk about why AI is so important for Excel right now. In 2025, data analysis and automation are the backbone of business decision-making. From global giants like Google and Amazon to small startups, everyone is leveraging AI to handle their data in ways that would have been unimaginable just a few years ago. AI in Excel isn't just about replacing humans, it's about augmenting your abilities. Think about the repetitive tasks you do every day, like data entry, error checking, or creating reports. AI can take all that off your plate, allowing you to focus on strategic decisions and analysis. So what are these AI features that are making Excel so powerful in 2025? Let's break it down. Automated data cleaning. Data cleaning is one of the most time-consuming tasks. AI in Excel can automatically detect errors, inconsistencies, and even suggest corrections. Whether it's a missing value, a spelling mistake, or an inconsistent format, AI fixes it in seconds. AI-powered insights. Need a quick analysis? AI can instantly analyze your data and provide insights. For example, if you're tracking sales data, AI can spot trends, forecast future sales, and even offer recommendations for business strategies. Predictive modeling. Imagine being able to predict future trends without writing a single line of code. AI in Excel makes it possible. With built-in machine learning models, AI can analyze historical data and give you predictive insights, be it sales projections, customer behavior, or financial forecasts. Let me show you real-life examples of how AI-powered Excel transformed companies operate. From Air India to BMW Group, DocuSign to EY, and even global giants like Mars and Lenovo, Microsoft clients across every industry are unlocking secure, scalable, and successful AI solutions. And they're not alone. Tens of thousands of organizations are already on board, transforming communications, streamlining operations, and driving next-level innovation. So the question is, why not you? Across industries, businesses are cutting down on errors, increasing efficiency, and driving smarter decisions, all thanks to AI integration with Excel. Now, you might be thinking, Aditya, I already know how to use Excel pretty well. Why do I need AI? Well, here's the truth. You don't want to be left behind in this race. AI isn't just a tool for analysts or data scientists anymore. In 2025, everyone from managers to marketers to HR professionals will be using AI and Excel to get their work done faster and smarter. By integrating AI into your Excel workflow, you'll not only save time but